After it was all over, Mr. Crossman invited Mama and Papa to stay for a picnic around the outdoor fireplace. Papa and Nels roasted the wieners. Mr. Crossman brewed the coffee. And Mama, for a change, just sat and watched the men folks do the work.
Say, does anything smell better than fresh coffee brewed outdoors over an open fire? And when it's good to the last drop Maxwell House that's sweet in the air, folks are sure of a rich reward of flavor in every steaming cup. For the world-famous flavor of Maxwell House coffee is in the blend, right from the beginning, because it's made from better-tasting prime flavor coffees, the richer coffees, that make the difference between a cup that tastes just so-so and coffee that really satisfies. And folks everywhere know there's a difference. Your devotion to that famous good-to-the-last-drop flavor has made Maxwell House the largest-selling brand of coffee in the world. Mama and her family, like so many other families, are taking a summer vacation. But they'll be back with us in September.
Goodbye. We will see you in the fall. Papa, Nelson, Catherine, and Dagmar, and me, Mama. Have a good summer. And may the Lord keep you happy and strong.
And while the Hansons are away, be sure to watch the Hollywood Stars on Mike Stokey's Pantomime Quiz, beginning next week at the same time on most of these stations. Brought to you by Baker's Instant 4-in-1 Mix. And here is Mike Stokey to tell you all about it.
That's right, folks. Next week it is Pantomime Quiz, and let's remind you how to play it. Here's lovely Dorothy Hart. Dorothy,
Hello,
show
Mike.
them quick. Huh?
All right,
Go
fine.
ahead. All right, you're mixing something, putting it in an oven, pulling it out. You're baking. Bakers. Fast. Hurry. Instant. Baker's Instant 4-in-1 Mix, our sponsor. See you next week on Pantomime Quiz, ladies and gentlemen.
And wherever you are this summer, remember to buy Roaster Fresh vacuum-packed Maxwell House coffee. Always good to the last drop.